Yeah, hello, good evening, students. Now I am going to explain you about fundamental limits, fundamental theorems on limits. It is also called as algebraic limits. Limit extends to a f of x is L. Suppose limit extends to a one function f of x, that limit value is L. Another one, limit extends to a g of x. Suppose I am taking here g of x, that is equal to m. I am just taking a as any constant here. Limit extends to a f of x is L. Limit extends to a g of x is m. Then the first fundamental theorem is limit extending to a whenever you have f of x plus g of x. This is whenever you have limit extends to a f of x plus g of x, whenever you have, you can write this one as limit extends to a f of x plus limit extending to a g of x. Means I can write this limit value is L and this limit value is m, L plus m. So this is one way we can approach it. Okay, this is the first fundamental. Next one, limit extending to a. Suppose you have f of x minus g of x. If you have here plus in the place minus you have, then you will get here minus. Then you will get here L minus m answer. Now f of x into g of x, whenever you have limit extends to f of x, g of x, whenever you have, you can write as limit extending to a f of x into limit extending to a g of x. I can write this is nothing but L into m lm, because this value is L and this value is m, so L into m lm. Third point is limit extending to a f of x divided by g of x, whenever you have, where g of x is not a 0. Provided g of x is not a 0, then I can write as this. I can separate that limit extending to a f of x divided by limit extending to a g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0. So these are the fundamental